Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience in different technologies, right? So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you. So starting with this, so if you've got any general queries, I'll be giving time for you at the end of the session to interact with this, right? So going with the demo. So in today's world, technology is growing faster than ever before. Two of the most exciting and powerful fields leading this change, right? Data science and AI, artificial intelligence, right? These areas are helping people solving the problems, taking smart decisions, and improving our daily lives. So here everything deals with the data here. Everything deals with the data. So total world flooded with user data. So data has got experience, data has got experience, data has got future reference. Data has got future reference. So using this data or data science, right? Using this data or data science, we perform data analysis, data predictions, data classification, data clustering, data recommendations, right? So data science, if at all like data science combines, combines maths, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, AI and machine learning. For what purpose? For extracting insights, for extracting insights. Organizations data. So it combines math, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning for extracting insights hidden within the organization's data. In a shorter version, if we talk in a shorter version, data science is the art. Data science is the art of turning data into actions, turning data into actions. Is the art of turning data into actions. Data science focus on value. They focus on value, not on volume. So the data science is a field that is evolving at a rapid pace. Sorry, at rapid pace, right? Yes, it's a field that is evolving at a rapid pace. So just be part of this journey. This is the right time for you people to just get into this data science field. So it is extremely important in the real world because data science is for individuals, it might be, or it might be for business and also for the governments for making data driven decisions, which involves, as I said, statistics, programming, machine learning to extract some insights from the large and complex data sets. Okay, so generally, people generally asks, right, the difference, data engineering and data science, the fields are different, right? Data engineering deals with the data management. Data engineering deals with the data management, data storage and data processing. The data management is nothing but like data storage and data processing, from where you want to, from where the data is getting pulled from, and from where you are moving the data and how you are transforming, how you are filtering, merging, if you perform all the filtering, all this done by data engineering. But data science, he performs what I said, right? Analysis of the data, predictions, classifying, clustering, recommendations, all this we do, right? Yes. A simple way, recommendations for the future. Just recommendations for the future, right? Based on the current data, you are just going to recommend, going to predict. So it is all about data science is all about how we study the data. It helps in organizing, understanding the information. Companies use this data science to find out what the customers they are interested in purchasing, and also like doctors they are interested in detecting diseases in a very early stage, detecting or predicting the diseases at the very early stage. And scientists, if you talk, they are used to study, even for example, even if you talk about the various other things like studying the climate changes, right? The patterns, you are studying the patterns, right? And see the climate changing by turning the raw data into useful insights. Turning the raw data, you have got lot of data and turning it into the useful insights. Data science helps people making better and faster decisions, better decisions and very fast decisions, right? Yes. Artificial intelligence, where machines are designed to think like humans, right? Just machines are designed to think just like humans. Yes, such as if you see today, if you talk like why voice assistants are there, self-driving cars are there, right? AI can also help in educating and education by creating smart learning tools. So data science and AI both together, they're shaping the future, right? So they are making the lives very easier, improving the healthcare, saving time, and protecting the environment. And also, these are the important technologies. Okay. So that word data science, like data science emerged from statistics and data mining. Data science has been emerged from statistics and data mining. So here, if we talk like data science is all about how we use the tools, how we use tools, techniques, and creativity, right? And to uncover the insights hidden within the data. I said it combines the maths, computer science, domain expertise to tackle these real world challenges in varieties of various fields, right? Yes. So data science process the raw data. It is going to process the raw data and solve the business problems, making some kind of predictions about the future trends or the requirements. For example, if a company has got huge raw data, data science can help with answering questions. It can help answering the questions like what do the customer interested, how can we improve the services, what is the upcoming trend in the sales, or how much is, for example, how much stock required for particular event, for a particular event, how much of stock required. So in this way, it is going to help you in various fields. One second, I'll just show you, just talk you about the fields where it is used, right? Is it, can you please confirm whether my voice is clear or not? Are you facing any voice problem? Anyone? Is my voice clear to all? Can anyone please confirm me once again?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Sai Prasanna, right? I hope it is from your side, right? The issue from your side. You can check it, right? Yes. So for example, in various fields, like for example, business decision making, right? In business decision making, companies collect large amounts of data from the sales, from the customer feedbacks, and for the market trends. Data science helps them analyzing the data, taking the smarter business decisions, right? From the whatever the sales data, from whatever the customers feedbacks given, and whatever the market trends from that. So example, Amazon uses data science to recommend products to the users based on their browsing history or the purchase history, right? Yes. I was talking about the healthcare. Even if you talk about the healthcare, healthcare and the medicine helps doctors and researchers in predicting the diseases and also improving the patient's outcomes, right? Predictive analytics, detecting early signs of diseases like cancers or diabetes, right? Even in the case of finance and banking. Financial institutions like they use data science to detect if any fraud detection, for managing the risk and personalized customer services. Even in the banking, for giving the loans, and credit card companies, even like credit card companies like Visa, they use machine learning to identify the fraudulent transactions. In media and entertainment, Netflix, Spotify, all this, they use some kind of recommendation algorithms, right, to suggest movies, shows, or the songs based on the user data, or based on user preferences, right? YouTube also use the same data science like recommender algorithms to optimize video recommendations, the- some kind of recommendations. Even for this, I was discussing about weather forecasting and climate research. Meteorologists, like they use data science to predict weather patterns and analyzing the climate. Even government and public policy, they use government, they use data to improve the public services, security, infrastructure planning, smart city initiatives, and they use sensors, cameras to manage traffics, with the waste traffic and the wastages and the energy, right? Yes. E-commerce, and also like e-commerce, online platforms, generally the online platforms, they rely on this data to enhance the user experience and how to increase the sales. For example, Flipkart, eBay, they use customer data only for this personalized marketing and this pricing strategies, for this increasing or decreasing the prices, pricing strategies and personalized marketing, right? All this, right? So data science, so these are some of the examples. Data science has become the backbone of the modern industries. It is improving the healthcare, optimizing the business operations, making smarter cities. Data science turning the raw data into this action insights and drive innovations and efficiencies. Like simply in a simple way, I can say it is extracting useful insights. Right? For example, if data is like oil, if data is like oil, and data science, refined oil, right? So yes, this some just introduction to this data science. But if people today, if they talk like on this AI, advanced AI, so in our course we'll be discussing full stack, means total data science and machine learning, total deep learning techniques, along with artificial intelligence with advanced AI techniques, right? So generally people say like generative AI, agentic AI, AI agents, right? Just I doesn't want to go into these technicals as of now, but what is generative AI? Just generative AI, just nothing but creates new content, like it can be text, images, code, music, etc. By learning patterns from the data. If you talk about agentic AI focuses on making decisions. In a simple way, focuses on making decisions and executing actions, the two multi-step actions to achieve the goals, the required things, right? In a simple way, In a simple way, generative AI is sorry. Generative AI is about creation. Generative AI is about creation. Agentic AI. Agentic AI is about action and decision making to achieve an objective, right? Yes. So just if I talk, this is so this generative AI, all this is the subset of this AI, right? So in a simple way, AI, artificial intelligence, right? Developing systems. We are developing systems that can perform tasks. That can perform tasks that require human intelligence. Human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Right? Yes. So this AI, generative AI, as a subset of AI designed for creating new original content. It is going to learn the patterns and structures from the vast data sets, using the knowledge for generating new outputs like text or images, music or code, as I said. Example like ChatGPT for text, DAL-E for images, and various tools, right, for code generation, right? Yes. Even agentic AI, I said, making decisions, taking autonomous kind of actions for achieving your goal, the specific goal, right? It can be a combination of tools, memory, knowledge for performing these tasks, right? Yes. Yeah. So what I'll be discussing as part of this course, I said it's a so in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing with advanced AI. So just check with this course overview, right? So the language what we use here is Python. Python programming. Python is the mostly chosen language, right? So here, Python introduction, right? And I'll be just briefing you about all the syntaxes of Python before we go with, right? And data analysis using NumPy and pandas. So data analysis using NumPy and pandas. NumPy will work with the NumPy arrays. Sorry, two-dimensional, three-dimensional arrays, NumPy mathematical operations, and performing some various operations like horizontal stacking, vertical stacking, flattening, reshaping, and generating random numbers, iterations, different manipulations, array manipulations, string functions, like. And in the case of pandas, the thing data frames, working with pandas data frames, pandas series, how we create it from the different objects like lists, dictionaries from different file objects, CSV, Excel, and working with different operations, slicing, indexing, grouping, aggregations, merging, and different other operations, right? And also like data visualizations using matplotlib. So just by using matplotlib, right? And next, statistics for the data science. statistics for data science. So this statistics helps data scientists helps in understanding the data variability, testing the hypothesis, summarizing the complex data sets. Like we see like descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, dispersion measures, central tendency measures, mean, mode, median, variance, range, data distributions, correlation analysis, right? Different types of variables, their behavior, sampling techniques. Next, machine learning techniques. Machine learning ML techniques, right? So what are the different areas of implementing this ML? Different algorithms like regression, classification, clusterings, right? Different types of algorithms. Uh, Deep learning techniques. Deep learning techniques here we'll be seeing in brief, right? Because for AI we require this deep learning techniques. ANN, CNN, ANN, CNN, right? Artificial neural networks, convolution neural networks. So before this, like I'll also time series analysis, time series analysis and forecasting. So ARIMA, like auto regressive integrated moving average, that is MLOps, machine learning operations, machine learning or MLOps, sorry. Machine learning operations, set of practices that combines machine learning with operations DevOps to automate, streamline the entire ML lifecycle, right? So here even I will be discussing about big data PySpark, very high speed processing execution model for processing huge data in quick time, PySpark, and NLP and text mining. See, this is a natural language processing. So it allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, where we use NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, suite of libraries and programs for statistical natural language processing. And TensorFlow. It is a TensorFlow, right? It is a free open source software library for machine learning and deep learning. It is developed by Google. It provides a set of tools, APIs, libraries to help develop, build, train, deploy machine learning and machine learning models and efficiently across various platforms. Convolution neural network, yes, and Boltzmann machine and autoencoder. See, a Boltzmann machine is a type of neural networks, right? To model data distributions, unsupervised learning models with visible inputs and hidden nodes, right? And autoencoder, right? It is also an unsupervised deep learning neural network, helps to compress data into its lower dimensions and reconstructing it back to its original form. GAN, generative adversarial network, right? It's a deep learning, right? It's a powerful model architecture that uses competing neural networks, right? Yes. And also like RNN and RNN and GRU, right? Recurrent neural network type of specially designed to process data. GRU, gated recurrent unit. It is also type of RNN, recurrent neural network, designing and processing the data. And LSTM, long short-term memory, specialized type of RNN used in deep learning by selectively remembering or forgetting the information over the long time. OpenCV, open source computer vision library, right? Yes, plays an important role in deep learning within the domain of computer vision. It's a powerful toolkit for handling images and video kind of data in this deep learning model process. And here, generative AI. I said it creates new content like text or images, creating new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. Prompt engineering. Designing optimizing prompts for AI models, especially LLMs, large language models, to accurately relevant and for getting the desired outputs. And also like advanced prompt techniques. TOT, chain of thought, tree of thought, right? Yes. LLM APIs. RAG systems. Retrieval augmented generation systems, AI framework that enhance the large language models, that combining with the IRS, external IRS, right? Information retrieval systems. Vector databases and embeddings. So vector databases storing some kind of unstructured data, even like text, images, or audio, as a high dimensional numerical representations that we call it as vector embeddings. LLM, oops. Large language model operations, especially set of practices or tools for the entire life cycle of LLMs in production environment, especially, right? And next I'll be discussing about agentic AI. So for making decisions, taking actions to achieve the required goals, right? Yes, once you can check with the course content, that you will get the clarity about it. In this, how brief, how depth we go into this. It's a totally 5 months course about data science and AI. So introduction, data science introduction, what is data science, why data scientists are in demand, growing need of data science, and the data science skills, use cases, data categorizations, Python for data science, and NumPy, Python for data analysis, Pandas, Matplotlib for data visualization, statistical methods for data science, machine learning techniques and their implementation, type series analysis and forecasting, MLOps, big data, PySpark, NLP and text mining, extracting, cleaning and pre-processing text, deep learning, TensorFlow, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine and autoencoder, GAN, emotions and gender detection, introduction to RNN and GRU, LSTM, OpenCV. From module number 20 to 40, we'll be discussing on generative AI and agentic AI. What is generative AI? Prompt engineering, advanced prompt techniques, working with LLM APIs, building LLM apps with a long chain, developing RAG systems, vector databases and embeddings, right? Building end-to-end Gen AI applications, evaluating Gen AI applications and enterprise use cases, multimodal LLMs, LLM ops and evaluations, and from 31 to 40, agentic AI architecture and design patterns, working with long chain and building AI agents, implementing agentic rack, developing AI agents, multi-agent systems with long graph, advanced agent development with AutoGen, AI agents observability and agent ops, building AI agents with no low code tools. Fine. So this is what will be discussed model 40 modules, right? So in brief, in depth. So especially if we talk, if we check with other training sites or with other trainers, right? Especially for this agentic AI and this generative and agentic AI, especially for this AI, I'll be spending 3 months time for that and 2 months for this data science techniques. See, if we talk about the other training sites where they say AI, again, they will include Python, this NumPy, Pandas, statistics, a machine learning, deep learning techniques, and coming to the AI, just they may discuss for 1 month. But here explicitly, we'll be spending a lot of times in this development process, in this AI, advanced AI techniques. 3 months for it, 2 months for this data science. You'll be getting all the prerequisites like Python, statistics, pandas, NumPy, PySpark, right? All these things will be getting. So if you see, even the job market of today, like increasing demand of data science, there is a large demand of data science, strong opportunities right now in the field of data science and AI. These are the, if you see like data scientists, data AI engineers, and this data science and data engineering are the two fields which are the market which has high boom today. So here, if you see even the jobs estimated, if you see for next 1 year, right, about 12 million job openings in data science will be created by 2026. Means there is a rise of 40% in this uh, jobs, right? And even if you see, it's one of the most promising and high in demand career path today. If we talk like it is the right time for you people to just get into this data science, as uh, even that requirement is more in the industry, high in demand, I said, right? And even if you see the pay scales also, data scientists has got the highest salary packages. Even the two highest paying jobs, data science jobs and data engineering jobs today. Many companies like they're hiring data scientists and AI engineers at a great salary packages. Even like tech giants like Google, Apple, Cognizant, Walmart, they're offering high paying jobs to this data scientist. Even if career aspect to like, even once you go through this entire process of this many career opportunities, like not only like you can go as a data scientist, like ML engineer, you can go as a AI engineer, you can go like a Gen AI engineer, you can go, right? And even if you add some few things right along with this, you can also, like few things means like if you add some Excel and Power BI, if you add, you can also go like a data analyst. And okay, fine. And apart from this, one second, the offerings from my side. So everything will be discussed step by step, and you'll be getting each and every live session video. You'll be getting each and every session video. Even if you miss any session or a couple of sessions due to some other right reasons, you can go to the videos and attend the sessions, next sessions, for the better understanding. Soft copy of this class notes, clear soft copy of this class notes, assignments and tasks to work with, and a WhatsApp group where just for all my batches, right? Any of this, whatever I discuss, I'll create a WhatsApp group. I myself will create the WhatsApp group where the students, you can directly have interaction with me directly in this WhatsApp. If you got any error, you can take snap of that and post in the WhatsApp. Anybody can answer. I'll be answering it. In interview questions, around 200 interview questions. Live, interactive, and hands-on. Even practicals you can do parallelly along with me, wherever that installations, other things, right? We can do parallelly, and even the tasks also you can do parallelly along with me. And as I said here, the Python is the programming language we'll be seeing. Python is the, it has got many thousands of modules. It has providing modules for data science environment like pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, CP, Skik, TensorFlow. In this way, we have got many modules. Even PySpark is the package given by Python, say Python API to use a Spark. So in this way, we are using Python. So even in this course, I'll be discussing about Python. I'll be giving you all the syntaxes of this Python, but still, if anyone, if you want to have some deeper command on this Python, even from DURGASOFT side, they're offering, right, some Python videos. They're providing Python videos. You can, once you get enrolled, right, you will be getting this Python videos, around 100 plus videos on Python, where you can have command on this. You can just go through that, and also some videos on this database if anyone doesn't have knowledge on this MySQL videos. around 35 videos will be provided, and also like anyone who doesn't have knowledge on this Linux, shell scripting videos, right? So this also around 100, around 100. So just this is the free offerings from DurgaSoft. This is from DurgaSoft. Once you get enrolled, you'll be getting these videos, MySQL and Linux. These are the offerings from my side, right? Whatever, all the sessions will be interactive sessions where you can directly interact, and even you have got a WhatsApp group for. Okay, so just this is what the course structure, what I'll be discussing. You can check what I'm going to discuss in brief in depth. The prerequisites, everything you'll be getting it, right? Yes. Yeah. Any queries you got, right? Anyone? Right. And just go with your queries. Tomorrow also everyone can attend the session, same timing, right? And let me make it clear about the timings of this match, right? 1 second. 1 second. Some okay, you can type your queries in the chat. Yes. Yes, yes, compulsory, right? Yes. Some query one. You can just type your queries in the chat, everyone, right? Yeah, Gayatri, right? Yes. Do you have any? Yes, real time 2 to 3 projects will be discussed during this course, right? Yes. Which will add weightage. Yes. Are you going to teach entire course too? See, are you going to teach entire course or other faculty will also? See, one thing, right? Totally be, yes, Mohammad Ali, right? Totally be, I'll be handling so that I'll get a total everything what is discussed and everything. I'm only going to discuss everything, right? Python or this pandas or this ML, all this I'll be discussing it. Entire course will be handled by me. So wherever required, we'll be having some sessions, extra sessions, right? So I'll pre-intimate if you have got any extra sessions on Saturdays. The classes will be from Monday to Friday. Sometimes on Saturdays, I'll be taking extra sessions. I'll pre-intimate about those things. So you two need to support by when we are going with many working examples, when we are discussing in brief with multiple examples, we need to have some sessions extra. That okay. Any other queries, right? Yes.
Sir, my name is Chakrapani.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Check out money.
Actually, I have registered your class from October 27th onwards, and also I make the payment also.
Mm.
But when I asked for the link, they are saying your the 7 p.m. batch got cancelled and asked to join
So
for the
yes,
10
yes.
p.m. batch.
Yeah. Due to some other reasons, right? Yes. The because most of
Okay,
the
then where I
student.
can get the updated link for the
Yes,
entire
yes,
classes?
yes, yes. Chakrabani, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. So that's the reason, right? 1 second. uh, First 2 3 days you can attend the session, later you will be getting the link, right? So that's the reason. Once I'm just assigning a WhatsApp group. Why? Because the front office people, they'll be busy handling like 30 40 courses they're handling, right? Their phones might be busy. That's the reason. If once the course gets started, WhatsApp group will be created and directly we have interaction with me if anything, right? If anything, you can just interact with me. So you'll be getting the link. You'll be getting the link to that mail, right? Once here also in this current batch also, right? If the once the link get changed, you will be getting to the mail. And even if we can see in the Zoom chat, right? Some a big message is given by this online team. You can see a big message is given by the online team. Already it has given it. So if anyone has got anything, you can have got any concerns, you can contact. 4 contact details are given because the numbers might be busy calling the students or the students interactions. That's why 4 numbers are provided. You can just contact, right? Yes.
Yes.
4 contact details are given, not one, because 1 to 4 contact. And also if anyone like payment details are provided, contact details are provided, course content details are provided, everything will be clear, right? So that's the reason. Even once you get enrolled, right, then I'll be taking care. I'll be just driving the entire course, right? Then you can have direct interactions with me if you're facing anything, right? That's why a WhatsApp group is there. No need to have that problems,
Yes,
right?
sir. Like if I didn't receive the classes link, so I can contact to the DurgaSoft through email or how can I do, sir? Because we are outside of the country,
Hmm. So
so
okay.
I am not able to call to those guys directly.
So okay, in the extreme case, you can message me. In the
Okay,
extreme
yes.
case, but
Because of,
not.
I was trying to join your class from 17th of October onwards, but
So okay, one
because
second.
of
Once,
this,
so in the extreme case, if they have not got it, see, for example, when the link got changed, just 2 hours before the session going to start, you need to get that link. Still, if you're not got, you have got enrolled, in the extreme case, you can just message on this. I'll
yeah,
provide that
definitely.
link. Fine. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
But as okay, in the extreme case only you can, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you're
yeah.
not.
I got your points. Thank you.
So why? Because before enrollment, that is once the students got enrolled only, the faculty should get interaction with the students, right? That's the WhatsApp
Yeah,
group
yeah, got it.
officially I can create. But in the fine.
The
So
timing is same, right?
I'm
Sir,
just
one
coming to
more
that.
thing.
No. I want to make it clear about the timings. See, just I want to make it clear about the timings before you get the payment process, everything. See, for the first 1 week, the session will be at 10 a.m., right? But after 1 week, sorry, 10 p.m. 10 p.m., right? Later, after 1 week, it will be at 9 p.m. The original batch timings will be 9 p.m., right? So for the first 1 week, it goes at 10 p.m., but later it will be 9 p.m. to same thing up to the end of the course. There won't be any change in the timing. So I'm making it clear about the timings before you go with the enrollment process, right? So initially, I'll be go with the 1 hour timings. Once we enter into the core part like machine learning deep, I'll be increasing to 1.5 hour, 9 to 10:30. It goes. Why? Because once we go with this machine learning implementation techniques, right? I'll just increase by with half an hour timing. So I am making the things clear for you. For first 1 week, later after 1 week, it will start at 9 p.m. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Initially for 1 month like that, it goes at 1 hour, but later once we enter into the core part, I'll increasing the time to 1.5 hour. Okay. So wherever required, whenever I'm free, I'll pre-intimate. If everyone fine with the timings, then I'll be taking some extra sessions, as I said. So these are the offerings. These are the offerings from DurgaSoft. These are the offerings from Asset. Fine. And during the sessions, you'll be kept in unmuted status. At any point during the session, you can ask the queries, unmute, and you can ask the queries, and you will be interacting. See, that is what I was expecting, interactive sessions. For whatever I type, whatever I ask, right, you people will be responding, right, whether your answers are correct or wrong. Based on that response only, I'll come to know your level of understandings, right? Okay,
Sir,
fine.
Hello,
one more
sir.
doubt.
I'm a Java developer. I'm having like 10 years of experience. I don't have
Yes.
any knowledge in Python and Linux, etc. I just know SQL a bit. So, will you teach all these things, or do you need to buy any separate courses for that? Because I don't have
No.
time to watch 100 plus Python
No, no,
videos now.
no, no, no. That was I'm going to say, right? So if you see the course content, right? If you just check with this course content here, so what all the things required for Python knowledge required for this data science? So Python data types, variables, loops, functions, this everything, this Python concepts, and also the Python for data analysis, what is required, NumPy, and what is the Python for data analysis like Pandas, and Python for visualizations. This everything I'll be covering up to model file. I'll be discussing, right? So you'll be getting the knowledge about this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, last doubt, sir. Hello.
Yes. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I compared your content with other training institutes, sir. I mean, you are offering more content compared to others. But only concern is, sir, actually, this is 5 months training, right, sir?
Mm.
So DurgaSoft is saying that the videos, I mean, recorded sections will be available for only for 6 months, sir. So
No,
I'm
not
also
no.
working like him
No, no,
only.
no, no. For my courses, right? For my courses especially, why? Because for the courses which has got a 2 months, right? See, the whenever you are calling the DurgaSoft, right, they'll be handling like 30 courses, right? Different courses are available in DurgaSoft. But the 2 months courses, that is for 6 months. But it's a 5 months course, right? So definitely for my course for data science for this, it will be available for 1 year time.
Yes, sir. Because 5 months and after
No.
if some time will be there means it will be easy for us to revise everything.
Yes. Around
That's why, sir.
minimum 10 months it
Sir,
will be there.
Agentic AI and Generative AI, you'll be teaching in depth, like in development type, or only just introduction and all?
See, that's the reason I was saying compare with other training sites and this, right? So that's why I was saying right here, out of 40 modules, out of 40 modules that what we discussed, right? Starting from 20 to 40, discuss what are we are discuss. If you it's model number 20 to model number 40 is generative AI and agentic AI. It's not like overview what we'll be discussing. In brief, in depth, we'll be discussing development. I'll be spending explicitly 3 months time for this. Especially for this generative AI and agentic AI, if overview means just 10 days, 15 days is enough, but 3 months I'm spending for this. So that's what I was saying, right? People, if you say AI course, they will give development agentic AI and generative AI. But here in this AI course, generally I'm talking about other training institutes or other trainers, right? They'll say generative AI development or AI course. In that again, they will see they'll include Python. Again, they'll include pandas. Again, they'll include NumPy in that. Again, they'll include statistics in that. Again, they'll include machine learning, deep learning, and finally when they come to AI, around 1 month they might be discussing. They say 3 months course, in that 1 month with it. But explicitly in our course AI I'm sparing three months of time for this. Totally 5 months course, in that around 2 months will be sparing for data science, for 3 months will be sparing for AI, because the concepts, the new topics, new concepts will be discussing in brief, right? Not like overview.
Sir, everything will be taught on Windows operating system, right? And why
Yes,
Linux
yes.
and Unix are needed?
There are offerings from DurgaSoft, right? This is not, doesn't mean that you need to go through all the hundreds of videos, all the videos. They are just a free offer given by DurgaSoft.
Okay, okay.
So if anyone otherwise, just ignore it. So your content. So query asked by this 1 second, Swati, right? Your content is completely fine compared to other training,
Sir,
but
me only,
recordings.
sir. Just now I have asked
Okay,
you doubt,
okay,
right?
okay, okay, okay. No, no,
It
no,
is
no,
fine,
no,
sir.
no.
Thank you.
Yes, it will be also, it will be revised, right? So
Yeah, yeah. For revision,
we
at
will
least 5 to 6 months, it will be easy for
yes,
us.
yes, Manish Kopuvari, right? Yes, compulsory. All the prerequisites I'll be discussing, right? So people from all category will be attending the sessions, right? Keeping all the students in mind. You can ask any query during the sessions, right? If you're with multiple examples, we'll be discussing, right? If possible, we'll take additional or extra sessions, not a problem. Totally new to data science, so explaining Python, all this. Yes, Python is the basic thing. Without Python you cannot perform anything, right? Any implementations here. Definitely you need to have some knowledge and brief, right? You'll be working on it. Mohammad Ali, right? Let us know the timings. Kindly let us know the timings. Just I was talking, right? First 1 week it will be at 10 p.m. Later it will be at 9 p.m. First 1 week it will be at 10 p.m. Later it will be at 9 p.m. Right? Yes. At 9 p.m. is our actual timing, but only for first 1 week it will be. And one more query asked: is there any other Mohammad Ali? Right? Is there any other batch where you are about to? You're talking about this batch you are talking, or only machine learning you are talking? Any other batch timing, Mohammad Ali, right? Are you asking any other batch timing other than this you are asking? Yes. So any other, yes, complete batch. Any other batch means yes. Day after tomorrow means Wednesday. There is one more batch for the students who wants to go for morning batches. Right? There is one more batch in the morning.
Sir, time, sir, morning batch time.
Morning, see, there also first 1 week it goes at 9 a.m. in the morning. Later after 1 week it will be at 8 a.m.
Okay.
Morning 8 a.m.
Thanks.
8 a.m. Right? There is one more batch for the people who wants to prefer in the morning. Day after tomorrow, Wednesday, right? It starts at
Okay.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. it will be. Later it will be 8. Okay, fine. Tomorrow also everyone can attend the session to see more discussion about this.
One question.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
So it is 5 months duration. Every day it is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. 1 hour session every day.
Yes, yes. For initially for the first 1 month, 20 days it will be for 1 month. Sorry, for initially for 20 days. First 20 days like that it will be for 1 hour. After that it will be for 1.5 hour.
Okay. And in between during the session, if we get any doubts, time may extend, right? The explanation of doubts.
Definitely, this is after 1 hour only. Your doubts, everything will be asking during the session. You can ask the doubts immediately because you cannot keep your doubt without understanding that continuation. If any specific doubt related to other topics, you can ask. So 1 hour, after that 1 hour, you can ask. Otherwise, in the WhatsApp group, you can ask. In that WhatsApp message, you can message in that. Anybody will be answering. I'll be answering that. Okay.
And one more question. I'm sorry. During the sessions, like most of them, like project training, I mean project work, right? That time we'll get more questions in general. That will be clarified there only, or will it require another scheduled time with you? Or
So you can just ask then and there. Anything, any questions, any queries, right? Immediately you can ask there and there. So that if you are
okay.
if you are clarified only that, the next upcoming next thing, next code, whatever is that, you can understand that.
Okay. And during the project work, right? Any IDE licenses, those things, any tool licenses required?
That's everything I'll be guiding you, right?
Okay.
How we can use, how we can work with that.
Mhm.
So everything, because people from zero background, with no background, everyone will be attending that. So everything from the basic to the ground level, I'll be discussing the things, keeping all the strengths in mind, right? Okay,
Thank you.
fine. So I'm saying
Uh,
that it will be for the first 1 week, it will be 10 p.m. Later, it will be starting at 9 p.m. Original timing of your batch will be 9 p.m. Once when we enter into the core part, right, I'll be extending the session to 1.5 hours, right? Yes. So yes. Any other queries you got, anyone? Someone was asking a query, right?
yeah. Hi, myself Manish. So I have a query. Like at the end of the course, will you be helping with any portfolio creation or anything?
Yes, I'll be helping you out.
I mean, apart from the resume, everything. So you can help us with the portfolio, with the live projects to showcase that we
Yes,
have
yes,
did some work.
yes, yes, definitely.
Okay.
From where we can access the Zoom recordings. See, Chaya, Shiv, right? Yes, where you can access. See, the recordings you'll be getting, the video recording, daily class recording, you'll be getting to your Google Drive. To your Google Drive. Within your Google Drive only, you can check it every day. One video will be added to your Google Drive. Notes you'll be getting to your Gmail, and I think WhatsApp group will also be there. If anything, any other thing, any other doubts or queries, you can just interact in there. And one more query, Venkat Reddy, right? Is there any channel to communicate in the case of any questions or general? Yes, Venkat Reddy, if you got anything, right, any queries, anything, you can just interact. That's the reason, students, for interaction purpose, I have kept a WhatsApp group where you can interact with me, where if you got anything, you can personally message me in the WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So if I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 10 o'clock using the same link to see more discussion, right? Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Good night. Okay. Bye.